Hey guys, welcome to episode 59 with me. So आज currently I'm going to Dubai. उधर मुझे कुछ चीज़ें लेनी है. Also I need to go to Uncle's Kitchen to have my regulars because जो मज़ा मुझे Uncle's Kitchen दुबई वाली ब्रांच में आता है, I didn't really enjoy it as much in Mumbai basically. I know it's like the same branch, but the taste here is much better and even the quality is much better. I don't know why. Currently I'm stopped at one of the pumps at Nok. And I'm just taking some KFC fries before I continue my journey to Dubai. First I thought that I'm not gonna have anything and I'm directly gonna go to Uncle's Kitchen and have, but I got extra hungry on the road, so spicy fries. दुबई में और भी एक काम है which is a secret which I cannot disclose, and I have a mystery shopping as well, तो इसलिए I'm going to Dubai. Yeah. And I miss Dubai. I don't miss Dubai, but yeah, I'm just going to Dubai. I love Abu Dhabi. I don't miss Dubai. This is the dog pump here. And this is my fries. I'm gonna show you. Just one. You dip it. And then you have it. Finally we are heading to Dubai. Done with eating the fries. Loved it. I love KFC ke spicy fries, especially with the garlic sauce. This was the first store I went to. They basically sell everything from India, and these things we don't usually get in Abu Dhabi. That's why I had to come here. It's mostly like an Indian market. So अभी इसके बाद मैं जा रही हूँ एक प्लांट खरीदने because a hibiscus which I had is no more unfortunately. So I need to get another hibiscus. We are here at Yusuf Bhai and there was one perfume which I was searching since a while now. And I'm gonna check if it's in this branch because in the Abu Dhabi branch they told me that I'll find it in this branch. So I'm gonna go and check if I get it here. This is the store and it has a lot of options. So mission finding the perfume which I wanted completed. Done with the perfume shopping and honestly I just want to run back to Abu Dhabi. Done with Dubai. यहाँ पे इतने सारे लोग हैं and it's so crowded and it's so humid and so hot. Abu Dhabi is also humid and hot, but it feels different. So I'm at the Uncle's Kitchen now and I'm waiting for my order. So I ordered the usuals, a prawns, black pepper, then a potatoes, chili, garlic, and what else? Rice and noodles mixed, fried rice, noodles, yeah. That's it. And Coke Zero. I honestly had the best Chinese. And for some reason when the food comes I stop. Everything like goes blank and I just start eating. And now I'm done eating and now I remember ki, oh, I had to like show you guys what I ate and review it. But I loved it. It was like the best Chinese in Dubai, in UAE I can say. Indian Chinese in UAE at Uncle's Kitchen, the Al Karama branch in Dubai. So finally reaching Abu Dhabi now, almost home. But I felt too full and I felt like I had a lot of calories and that's why I booked badminton 11 to 12. So gonna go home, freshen up a bit and then gonna go to play badminton. Hey guys, welcome to episode 60 with me. So kal raat ko it was terrible. I got such a bad headache. I can't even explain how bad it was. Once I came back from Dubai, then I went to play badminton immediately. Maybe because of that. But I did have the head pain the whole way. But it increased and it was so much worse that I couldn't even do anything after that. That's why I didn't like post a video yesterday. So now today is day 60 and hopefully I'm going to combine both the videos and post it together because yesterday was so bad. I'm home now, it's 4 and I have to like set up my storeroom because we have a new shelf, so I'm gonna do that. And after that I might head out for the gym, but later, like by 7 or something. Currently I have a lot to do in my room. The clothes are not sorted, the racks are just like that, my shoes are messed up, everything is a mess because since I've come from India, I'm busy with my birthday, meeting people, and I've not got time to be at home at all. So today I might do that, and I'm gonna show you the flowers which have lasted like for more than a week, which is amazing. The fragrance of this also is so good. These are lilies, and these are flowers. This is how the weather is currently in Abu Dhabi. It's around 50 degrees. Maybe it says 46 on the weather apps, but it's actually 50 and it's so humid, it's impossible to stand outside even for a minute. I don't know how the delivery vans and the bikes are actually out the whole time. It's so difficult to be outside because it's extremely hot and I'm getting a migraine as soon as I'm stepping in the heat and the humidity. Probably I'm too used to the rains of Mumbai right now. I just hope the weather gets better. I hope they do cloud seeding. They are doing, I think. I had seen the news a few days back where they had said that expected rains this week, but nothing yet. So hopefully the weather gets better. Done with the storeroom setup. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. Here. This is how it looks. It could have been better, I know. I have to work on it more. So today is 888, that is 8th of August 2026, and 2 plus 6 is 8. And apparently it's like a very big day for everyone manifesting and stuff. It's like a Lions portal thing or something like that. I don't know क्या मतलब होता है, but कुछ तो है आज के दिन में special that the planets come in the same line or something like that. I don't know what, align in a way. So I'm gonna sit and write a few things like which I want to manifest and my wishes basically. I don't call it manifestation, it's something like I want it to be fulfilled by the end of this year or so. So देखेंगे अगर true होता है, I'm gonna tell you guys. Wishes तो I can't tell obviously. Okay, so how manifestation works, basically on one page you're supposed to write the wishes that you want to be fulfilled. Like for example, you need a car, you need a house, whatever you want. And on the next page you're supposed to write the things assuming that it's already done. So imagine you already have a car, imagine you already have a house. How are you gonna feel about it? How excited are you gonna feel about it? So you're gonna write those emotions on the next page, and this is how it works. And once you imagine and put your state of mind in a way that the things have already been fulfilled, the universe works and actually fulfills those things to you. So you should never write anything negative, because the more negative you write about yourself, about others, you'll attract that type of negativity in your life. So never write anything negative, because whatever you write, the universe actually takes a note of it. It's currently 9:30 and this is the time for me to go for a walk, but unfortunately there's no parking today. So I might just skip it and directly go to play badminton and probably run more and be more active in the game to burn the calories equal to the work which I'm missing right now. Usually a badminton game played with full intensity, you burn approximately 650 calories, which is equal to 2 hours on a treadmill. And if you're playing with medium intensity, you burn around 400 to 500 calories, which is around 1.5 hour in the gym, like on a treadmill or elliptical or stairmaster, maybe 1 hour. So playing badminton is really nice and you can burn a lot of calories in a shorter amount of time. I'm on a mission to 5,000 steps because I over exceeded my calories today. Exceeded my calories by approximately 500 because there was dinner at home and I couldn't like resist it, because अगर नहीं खाती then also it's a problem food was cooked for me. So that's why I have to walk like 5,000 steps, complete 5,000 steps before I can sleep. Varna, I might gain at least 50 grams or 60 grams, which is like a bad thing for me overall. So I'm walking 5,000 steps abhi, goal sofa ke, like this, literally. Like this for like at least half an hour, 45 minutes. See you. Signing off for today. We finally finished with 2 months of vlogging, and I hope that this is gonna go ahead for a whole year or more, hopefully, until I'm able to do this. Bye, good night.